For years, designers, engineers, and makers have looked for a tool that offers power without a price tag, freedom without compromise. Today, that search reaches a new milestone. Welcome to the future of design. Welcome to FreeCAD 1.0. In the world of computer-aided design, precision is everything. But what if that precision could be truly accessible to everyone? What if the tools you use to bring your ideas to life were not only powerful, but also open, collaborative, and completely free? This isn't just a dream. It's the core philosophy behind FreeCAD, and with the release of version 1.0, that philosophy has been realized in its most powerful form yet. Let's dive into what makes this release so revolutionary. The first thing you'll notice is the stunning new user interface. We've redesigned it from the ground up to be cleaner, more intuitive, and faster than ever before. With modern icons and a customizable toolbar, you can tailor your workspace to your exact needs, putting your most used tools right at your fingertips. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a fundamental improvement to your workflow, designed to minimize distractions and maximize your creative focus. At the heart of FreeCAD lies its powerful Parametric Modeling Engine. With FreeCAD 1.0, parametric precision is taken to a whole new level. Watch as we create a simple sketch. The real-time constraint solver provides instant feedback, helping you define relationships and dimensions with incredible speed and accuracy. This intelligent system ensures your designs are robust and easy to modify. Change a single parameter and your entire model updates instantly. This is the power of true parametric design, now smarter and more responsive than ever. But FreeCAD is more than just a single tool. It's a comprehensive suite of workbenches, each tailored for a specific task. In the Part Design Workbench, you can transform your 2D sketches into complex 3D solids with ease. The process is fluid, logical, and incredibly powerful, allowing you to build intricate parts piece by piece. Then we move to the Assembly Workbench. This is where your individual parts come together to form a complete product. With advanced mating and constraint tools, you can simulate how your components will interact in the real world, catching potential issues long before you ever start manufacturing. The performance improvements in FreeCAD 1.0 mean you can now work with larger, more complex assemblies with remarkable smoothness. Of course, a design is only complete once it can be clearly communicated. That's where the TechDraw Workbench comes in. Create professional, standards-compliant technical drawings directly from your 3D models. Add dimensions, annotations, and sectional views with just a few clicks. FreeCAD 1.0 makes it easier than ever to produce the documentation needed for manufacturing, patents, or presentations. And for those pushing the boundaries of engineering, the integrated Simulation Workbench offers powerful finite element analysis tools. Test your designs for stress, strain, and thermal performance without ever leaving the FreeCAD environment. This ability to simulate and validate your ideas early in the design process can save you countless hours and resources down the line. Behind all this innovation is the incredible power of the open source community. FreeCAD 1.0 is the result of thousands of contributors from around the globe, all working together to build a professional-grade CAD tool that is free for everyone forever. This isn't just software, it's a movement. A movement that believes in empowering creators, innovators, and educators. From intricate mechanical components and architectural models to product designs and 3D printed creations. FreeCAD 1.0 provides the tools you need to succeed. It's faster, smarter, and more professional than ever before, ready to handle your most ambitious projects. The journey to version 1.0 has been a long one, but it's only the beginning. The future of design is open, collaborative, and limitless. It's time to stop letting software licenses limit your creativity. It's time to design without limits. Download FreeCAD 1.0 today and start building the future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and tutorials.